In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video background in Instapage. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a looping visual behind your content so your page feels dynamic without distracting from your message. First, open the Instapage page editor. This is your main workspace where you can see your layout and the toolbars you'll use to make changes. Give the editor a moment to load your page elements so everything snaps into place as you build. Next, look to the left sidebar and find the video option. Click it and drag the video block onto your page. Don't worry about perfect placement yet. Just drop it somewhere on the canvas so you can configure it. The block is essentially a container for your background video. With the video block selected, check the settings panel on the right side of the screen. This is where you'll connect your video. Paste your YouTube link, Vimeo link, or a direct URL to a video you host yourself. Make sure the link is accessible and that the video is optimized for web playback so it loads quickly. Shorter, lightweight videos work best for backgrounds and help keep your page responsive. Enable autoplay, so the video starts playing automatically when the page loads. Most browsers require background videos to be muted to autoplay, so if you see a muted option, leave it on. That keeps the motion smooth and avoids any unexpected audio for visitors. Now position and size the video so it acts as a true background. Stretch it to full width, and if you're designing a hero section, extend it to full height for that immersive look. You can resize by dragging the edges of the block and move it into place just like any other element. If your text or buttons are hidden behind the video, bring those elements to the front so they sit on top. The goal is to let the motion sit behind your content while keeping headlines and calls to action crisp and readable. As a final touch, think about contrast and clarity. If your video is busy or high contrast, consider choosing a clip with smoother motion or darker tones so your text remains easy to read. Keep file sizes modest and pick visuals that reinforce your message rather than distract from it. That's it. You've added a video background in Instapage, connected it with a URL, enabled autoplay, and layered your content neatly on top for a polished, professional result.